Congratulations on your purchase of a Luraco iRobotics 9 Max Series medical massage chair. This video shows you how to use the Luraco iRobotics 9 Max Series, which includes i9 Max, i9 Max Special Edition, i9 Billionaire Edition, and i9 Royal Edition. Before using, please read the user's manual for important safety and caution instructions. The user's manual can also be found on www.Luracochairs.com. Helpful tips. Turn the power switch on the base of the back of the chair. It's recommended to turn the switch off if the chair is not in use. Make sure to remove your shoes to enjoy the soothing triple-action sole massagers. Sit back and relax with your head resting against the backrest for body scan and shoulder height detection to take place. During the body scan process, please do not operate the remote control. For a more accurate body scan, or if you prefer a stronger neck massage, please flip the pillow to the back of the chair. The patented footrest extended sensor is located below the right heel. For an accurate leg length measurement, make sure your right heel is all the way back and pressed down. The sensor will automatically extend the footrest to the proper length for your legs. In the future, if you want to skip the body scan and go directly to a massage, you must first save a user profile after scan is completed. The chair remembers the settings when the save button is last hit. Doing this will allow you to bypass the scan process the next time you return for a massage. The Luraco i9 Max series have a patented touchscreen keypad that is very user-friendly and easy to understand. If you know how to use a smartphone, you'll love the ease of using the i9 Max series controller. Understanding the i9 Max series remote control's main screens. I'll go into greater detail on what each screen will allow you to do in a little bit, but for now, here are the remote's main screens. Auto. This screen is where you can select one of the 9 pre-programmed massage options. Manual allows you to customize massage settings for specific parts of your body. Settings allows for chair settings and to use a security passcode if desired. Info provides you with helpful tips as well as useful knowledge about acupressure and reflexology pressure points. Heat allows you to turn on and off the heating option and to adjust the heat intensity levels. Adjustments allows the chair to be adjusted for preferred comfort positions. Pause Resume button allows for a temporary pause and resume of the massage cycle. Intensity. Unlike other chairs on the market, the i9 Max series gives you total control of the massage intensity for 6 different areas of your body. Intensity levels are also stored in your user profile when saved. Users. The i9 Max series allows for up to 5 different users to save their favorite chair settings. Using this option allows users to bypass the scan process and go directly to their favorite settings. Start-Stop button. The round button at the bottom of the remote will stop and start the massage chair. Please know that if you need to stop your massage chair in the middle of a massage for any reason, simply press the Start-Stop button. The Start-Stop button is always backlit so that it's easy to find. Now let's look further into what each of the individual screens allows you to do with your chair. Auto Massage Modes. There are 9 preset programs that are ready to be used with no additional setup needed. When selected, you will get a choreographed massage based on what the massage mode is intended for. The preset massage modes are Health, specifically designed for health enhancements that emphasize improving health issues for relieving muscle strain, soothing anxiety, improving blood flow, and helping to relieve depression. This is the default massage setting when the chair is first started. Soft Massage applies a very soft and gentle airbag-only massage throughout the body. This mode is good for relieving headaches, muscle strains, and helps to improve sleep. Demo Massage provides a quick full-body massage and combines the best features of all massage modes. It allows the user to experience a bit of everything in a short cycle. Heat therapy is automatically turned on in this mode. Morning Massage is designed for morning or first awakening use while focusing on energizing the body, providing muscle stretching, mobilizing joints, and promoting flexibility with some mild muscle exercises. Night Massage is designed for evening use to relax the body and enhance sleep. This massage option focuses on relieving postural stress after a day's activities and helping to relieve anxiety, depression, and headaches while preparing the body for a restful night's sleep. Sport massage is for people involved in exercise activities and for injury prevention and treatment. This mode focuses on overused and stressed muscles from repetitive and aggressive movements. The sport mode enhances flexibility, reduces fatigue, boosts endurance, and reduces muscle soreness. Shiatsu massage provides a high-intensity and point-based massage with varied and rhythmic pressures on different parts of the body. A shiatsu massage helps relieve severe tension in muscles and connective tissues, relieves blockages, and rejuvenates the body. Stretch massage, a program devoted completely to stretching, improving flexibility, and promoting better mobility throughout the body. It relaxes muscles, enhances muscular coordination, helps improve posture, and provides a sense of well-being. Everyone at every age needs to stretch more. TV recliner mode puts the chair into a comfortable position for watching TV or reading. This allows the user to adjust the chair to preferred position. Timer is off in this mode. Manual massage options. Using the manual screen, you will be able to customize targeted areas of your body that best fits your wants and needs. By touching the buttons on the body diagram screen, the i9 will deliver a focused massage to that specific area of your body. Any combination of body locations can be massaged with the selected areas showing up as highlighted. With a quick tap on the spot mode's up and down arrows, you can pinpoint the massage rollers to stay in a specific area. The spot mode is preferred for an intense and directed massage to work on targeted muscles. The spot massage works for areas from the neck all the way down to the thigh buttocks area. For the additional massages specified for your back, press the back area parts that you want to target: neck, mid-back, or lower back. Then press the green More arrow. The next screen allows you to choose either kneading or tapping, with additional options of adjusting the speed and width of the rollers. If you select tapping, you will be able to select which type of tapping rhythm you want. The options are consistent tapping, variable tapping, or percussion tapping, with each having its own unique rhythmic massage pattern. The i9 Max Special Edition, i9 Max Billionaire Edition, and i9 Max Royal Edition are built with double 3D mechanism. In manual mode, you can even select which mechanism you want to control. After you have everything set up the way you want, simply use the back arrows to return to the previous screens. When you hit save, the i9 Max series will remember your settings so you can skip right to your massage the next time you return to your chair for a massage. I'll explain more on saving settings in a little bit. Settings. This is where you can set up your personal preferences with options of voice response and relaxing music. There are 7 different language options that can be chosen for the i9 Max series with English as the default language. You can also enjoy 6 pre-installed relaxing music. The speaker volume can also be adjusted on the screen. Massage time. Massage time can be set for as short as 5 minutes or as long as 30 minutes. System passcode. The Luraco i9 Max series come with a security feature that allow you to lock it if you don't want others to use it. The default passcode is 1234. Sleep setting. Many people like to fall asleep during a massage and don't want to be disturbed when the massage ends. When the sleep setting is checked, the chair will let you remain asleep after your massage has ended. When you wake up, simply hit the Start/Stop button and your chair will return to the starting position. If unchecked, your chair will gradually return to the start position when the massage time has ended. System information. The information found here is what Luraco technical support would ask for if there is ever a need for diagnostic or service issues. Bluetooth and speaker. The i9 Max series are set up to be compatible with Bluetooth, but you must have a device that the chair can be paired with. When checked, select Luraco on your device to pair your chair just like any other Bluetooth device in your home. Your chair comes with the Bluetooth turned off with easy-to-follow instructions in the user's manual on how to turn it on. Note, depending on the phone and Bluetooth chip version, a password may be prompted. Default password PIN is 4321. Info. There are multiple information screens on your i9 Max series controller that provide helpful tips with useful acupuncture and reflexology points about the body, feet, and hands. The i9 Max series were built to work in concert with your acupuncture pressure points for relaxing and effective massage. Heat. A soothing heat feature is ready to use on your i9 Max series for the hands, lower back, and feet. There are 5 heat levels, with 1 being the lowest and 5 being the warmest. Simply touch Heat On to start this feature, except for the Health, Quick, and Shiatsu modes, where it turns on automatically. Adjust. Just as there are many different body types, there are different ways that your chair can be adjusted for your comfort. The Adjust screen is where you can set your chair to meet your individual needs. The recline angle, leg rest length, and seat angle can all be adjusted to whatever position you desire. The Adjust screen is also where you can put your chair into zero gravity by simply pressing the button. Zero gravity will allow your body weight to work in harmony with the massage rollers and is very effective for improving circulation while delivering a true sense of relaxation. Shoulder position allows for manual adjustments for shoulder and neck height position. This feature allows you to manually adjust the height of the rollers if needed for a more precise neck and shoulder position after the body scan. Armrest control. You can open or close or adjust the armrest position for better fitting your forearm length. The maximum adjustment is around 2 inches. Unchecking the armrest alarm on this screen will turn off the door motion safety alarm sound. Note, during a massage session, the armrest open-close feature is disabled for safety reasons. However, armrest position adjustment is available. Auto options. This is Auto Mode Customization Software Package 2 and is available in Billionaire and Royal editions only. Note, when the chair is doing automatic stretching, some adjust buttons are grayed out to avoid users' interruption. Pause Resume button. Your massage can be paused and resumed by simply pressing this button. Intensity. This screen allows you to adjust the massage intensity levels for 6 different areas of your body, which is more than any other chair on the market. The intensity levels can be adjusted independent from one another for the neck, mid-back, lower back, calves, arms, and feet, with 1 being the softest and 5 being the most intense. This feature allows for total personalization of the massage experience. Users. The Luraco i9 Max series has a unique and valuable feature that allows for up to 5 different users to save their favorite chair settings. Imagine that. It's like having 5 chairs in one. Once you have chosen your favorite settings and adjustments, select Users, then Save, and then enter your name. After you press Enter, then Done. Your most recent settings will be waiting for you when you return. Note, during body scan, the Save button is grayed out. When coming back to your next massage, allow the chair to power up and then go to Users, Open, and select your profile name. Your chair will bypass the body scan and take you right to the massages of your last saved settings. If you ever want to change any of your saved settings, all you need to do is make the changes and select Save again. The most recent settings are saved whenever the Save button is hit. Patented adjustable shoulder and bicep airbags. As there are different sizes of people, there are different heights for where people's shoulders will be when sitting in a chair. Simply pull out on the knob located on the inside of the shoulder airbags. Move it up or down to adjust to your desired massage location. Smartphone recharging pouch. Available in custom ordered chairs only. The i9 Special Edition, i9 Billionaire Edition, and i9 Royal Edition chairs come with a wireless charger that can charge a smartphone that has wireless charging capability. Slide your smartphone with the screen facing up into the pouch to allow your phone to charge while you're relaxing during your massage. Depending on type of your phone, you may need to adjust phone location to match with charger's coil position in the armrest in order for it to work. Luraco Blood Pressure Monitor. This is an optional device for i9 Max, but is included with i9 Special Edition, i9 Billionaire Edition, and i9 Royal Edition chairs. Your Luraco i9 Max series have the capability of operating an optional health monitoring device.
Your blood pressure is normal.
This keeps it handy for daily health checks both before and after your massage session. The Luraco BPM has a built-in rechargeable battery. To charge the BPM, simply connect it to the BPM USB port located on the back of your chair. Thank you for learning more about the amazing Luraco i9 Max Series medical massage chairs.